Hello YouTube, in this video I will show you how you can make your Telegram look awesome. So open up your Telegram, go to the search bar and type in Telegram themes, then select the Telegram desktop themes chat, and now you can just browse through the themes and find one that suits you. For example, I will choose a little darker theme. Maybe like this, and you just click here above the picture, and then you can click the link there, find the download patches, and you can just go apply this theme and go revert if you don't like it. Obviously I downloaded the wrong one, so I will do this and go apply this theme, and as you can see the theme is applied and it's very simple. So if this video helped, please like, share and subscribe.